Good day everybody, my name is Quentin Rep and I'm a South African website designer and graphics designer. Today however, I'm going to show you guys how to add a coupon onto your Woocommerce. So you want to run a special discount, you want a coupon for the checkout, for whatever reason you guys want to give them a discount when they buy from your Woocommerce shop. Guys, this is how you create that coupon. So check closely. Yeah, let me show you. And if you guys want a proper online or e-commerce shop, guys, get into contact with X3Web. Let us make you one. Okay, let me go show you guys quickly how to create this coupon. So the first thing you want to do is once you're in your website over here, so once you've logged in, if you don't know how to log in, go check out my first videos. Once you're in the WordPress website over here, you want to go down to Woocommerce. Just hover over Woocommerce, then you'll see a little thingy there that says coupons. Press on a little coupon sign, and then from there on it will go here. Then it's going to say create your first coupon. It's going to give you some recommended. You just go create your first coupon. It's much easier. My internet's a little bit down today. I don't know why. Okay, so from here on, coupon code. We're going to create a coupon code. We're going to say Gamers X3 So that's going to be my coupon code. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste that coupon code onto a WordPad over there. So copy. I'm going to paste it onto the WordPad over there so I know it, I don't forget it. Description, what's a coupon? 100% discount. And then from there, fixed card discount. So you can say percentage discount, fixed card discount, or fixed product discount. We're going to say percentage discount. We want to say product discount, whichever one you want to do. Coupon amount. I want to give this guy 100% discount. So that's the amount of value of this coupon is 100%. Okay, allow free shipping. Yes, I want to give this guy free shipping. And I want this valid for today only. Let's make it until tomorrow. So this guy's got until tomorrow. Users restrictions. Minimum spend 0. I don't want him spend. Maximum spend. I don't care. Individual use. Check this box if the coupon cannot be used in conjunction. Yeah, boy, yes. Exclude sales items. Yeah. Products. Search for products. So here you can pick which products you wanted to add a coupon on. Exclude products, your product categories, any categories. I'm going to put it on the books. Exclude categories. You don't want to put anything in there. Allowed emails, no restriction. Usage limits. How many people do you want? How many times do you want this coupon to be able to be used? I only want to make this coupon for one person. You can make 100. If first 100 people coming to your discount store, you can make it 100. Whichever limit you decide. Guys, if I'm talking too fast, do you want the video? Go check it again. And let me know in the comments if my slack down a little bit. I want to make this video as quick as possible for you guys. Limit uses to X items. How many items? So say the guy, say you're selling socks. How many times can I use that coupon on that specific socks? Or per user, how many times can the same user use the coupon? I only want this user to use this coupon once. And then from there on, I want to say publish. And it's published. So coupon code Gamers X3 is now live. When this person puts it into the discount code, he's going to be able to check out and he's going to get 100% discount. Guys, follow and subscribe if this video did help you guys. If you guys are looking for a proper website, give me a call. Let me make your website for you. Anyway, boys, have a lucky day. Enjoy it.